Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all well. I am with you, Siam Rahman. Today I appeared with a grammar class. The subject of grammar is degree. But a request to you is to watch the video till the end. You will learn a lot. If you watch each of my videos regularly, your grammar skills will improve. Without further ado, let's get started. 3. Degree means তুলনার মান. Definition: এক ব্যক্তি অন্য ব্যক্তির সাথে, এক বস্তু অন্য বস্তুর সাথে, এক স্থান অন্য স্থানের সাথে দোষ, গুণ ও অবস্থার যে পরিবর্তন ঘটে তাকে ডিগ্রি বলে। There are 3 types of degree. How do we understand the positive? কারোর সাথেই তুলনা বুঝাবে না। Comparative: এক বা একাধিক ব্যক্তি, বস্তু বা স্থানের সাথে তুলনা বুঝাবে। Superlative: সকলের সাথে তুলনা বুঝাবে। Positive: comparative, superlative. There are some examples of positive, comparative, superlative. Positive: tall. If tall is in the adjective of comparative, taller. Then tallest. If the adjective is the pronounced once, that's ear. Then superlative est. Let's start. Tall, taller, tallest. Small, comparative, smaller, superlative, smallest. Cold, colder, coldest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Useful, more useful, most useful. Rich, richer, richest. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligence. This is the positive, comparative and superlative. No more today. See you in the next video. Please follow my channel. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. But don't forget to like it, because if you like it, I get motivated. It increases my interest in making videos. If you have trouble understanding anything in today's grammar class, please let me know by commenting. Stay well, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.